Hi everybody! If in the morning or in a cold engine the car starts up from the second, third time, this doesn't mean that the car isn't working or there is same problem. You need to turn the engine key and then return to the original position. Then start the car. If it started up, then the problem is in the poor quality fuel. If it doesn't start, then the problem must be solved further. That's all guys, subscribe to our channel and put like. Now guys, my friend's car has the following problems. The car did not start. It did not start well in the morning. It stayed at idle. There were engine interruptions that they just didn't change. Replace all the wire of the car. Clean the nozzle. Replace the air gasket candles. Clean the damper, but nothing helped. The cause of the malfunction was the following. When they changed the wire to the car, it was not done well. Changing the wire from the plug, but it was necessary to change everything. Therefore, the wires were there touched in place, and a short circuit was obtained. They adjoin. One more nuance: when the wires are twisted, this is also not reliable. You need to solder the wires. That's all guys, subscribe to our channel and don't forget to put like. Now guys, my friend recently has a case. The car did not start well in the morning. It could stall when driving, and in general it could either go to stall or not start. Appealed to the specialist, but not to avail. The damper was replaced. The nozzle were washed. The wiring with candles was replaced. The air meter was replaced, but everything was not pushed. But the problem turned out to be following. The battery of the automatic transmission has two wires, plus and minus. The plus had a slack, so there were problems. We fixed bolts and fastened. The car became normal. That's all guys, subscribe to our channel and don't forget to put like. Hi guys, my friend has a car, C-Class, and he left his car in a garage and left to the business. It was not somewhere 3-4 months. After he returned, began to start the car, but it will not start. Who just don't wash the car? Everything was in order, and the reason was the next. Gasoline poured into the tank, late leased. Therapy checking the octane number, in a word, became unsuitable. Poured the liquid, added the clean gasoline, the car started up. That's all guys, subscribe to our channel and don't forget to put like. Hi everybody! If in the morning or in a cold engine the car starts up from the second, third time, this doesn't mean that the car isn't working or there is same problem. You need to turn the engine key and then return to the original position. Then start the car. If it started up, then the problem is in the poor quality fuel. If it doesn't start, then the problem must be solved further. That's all guys, subscribe to our channel and put like. Hi guys, recently I had a kid drive a car at a speed, suddenly press the brake to wrap or drive around something. The car slowly down and the crankshaft speed does not decrease. The reason for this was this. This is the gas pedal mechanism. When we press the gas, the throttle valve is open here, and air enter. And this mechanism itself, with time, he began to get hung up. That is, he can stay here in any position. And in fact, the mechanism should return to initial position and not get hung up anywhere. Therefore, we'll lubricate all this place with this. And after that, the mechanism will work correctly. That's all guys, subscribe to our channel and don't forget to put like. Hi guys, another reason why the car starts badly is the fuel pressure regulator. The fact is that when we start the car, the fuel pump pumps the fuel into the fuel rail. There's a pressure of about 4-5 bar. When the machine turns off, this pressure is maintained. Therefore, when starts the machine, it starts up immediately, as there is a pressure. But if the fuel pressure regulator is faulty, then the pressure is the fuel rail will not hold and the car will start badly. As the fuel touches the fuel rail and it takes time, but it seems to us that the car is not working. The reason is for this pressure regulator. To eliminate the problem, we need to disassemble the fuel pressure regulator and replace the repair kit. After that, we collect everything back into place and then the car will start up perfectly. That's all guys, subscribe to our channel and don't forget to put like. Hi guys, one of the reasons a car does not start well is the fuel pressure regulator. It needs to overpressure is created in the fuel rail. Gasoline flows back into the tank. A contact pressure of 4-5 bar remained in the rail. In the event of the malfunction of the fuel pressure regulator, the pressure in the fuel rail decreases, since the valve does not hold pressure, and gasoline partly flows down, and weight may also drain. Therefore, then strains the engine, while the fuel pump pumps gasoline into the fuel rail. As long as the appropriate pressure is created there, it takes time, because of what the car starts up a little longer, and it seems to us that the car is wrong. This is the fault of the fuel pressure regulator. That's all guys, subscribe to our channel and don't forget to put like.